For a lot of people, the blood pressure is variable. It depends on all the things going around you at that time, depends on when you've taken your blood pressure medicine. It can even depend on whether you've just stood up and sat down. There are a lot of things that can change your blood pressure from 1 minute to the next. That's why I like you to follow a strict routine. You have a relaxation routine to check your blood pressure the same way every single time. That allows you to get some real consistent readings. Here's the thing, if you're measuring your blood pressure twice a day for a week or two, you should have enough readings to really get an idea of what the average blood pressure is. And if you don't have it, if your blood pressure is still all over the place, your doctor, a nurse practitioner, or physician's assistant may order something called a 24-hour ambulatory blood pressure monitor. That's essentially where you wear a cuff on your arm, 24 hours, and it squeezes every 15 or 30 minutes and gives us a great idea of what your blood pressure is like throughout the day. That can really help us as we're trying to manage high blood pressure and make sure you're on the right medication and diet regimen. So making sure you know how to check your blood pressure at home and have all your questions answered and take your medicines is key. And I will see you next time.